Namaste dear students. Today we will learn about adjectives and its types. Adjectives are one of the 8 parts of speech in English language. In grammar, adjective is a word which modifies a noun. Modifies here means to describe or to tell more about the noun or a pronoun. For example, there is a small black wooden chair in the room. Here, small, black, wooden are adjectives which is describing the noun chair. The food was delicious. Here, delicious is an adjective describing the noun food. Remember that adjectives can sit before and after a noun or a pronoun. Some more examples of adjectives are Neha is a beautiful girl. Beautiful is an adjective. This is a new building. New is also an adjective. The flower smells sweet. Sweet is an adjective. There are 6 types of adjectives: Adjective of Quality, Adjective of Quantity, Adjective of Number, Demonstrative Adjective, Interrogative Adjective, and Possessive Adjective. Let's start with Adjective of Quality. Words that describe the quality of a noun or a pronoun is called Adjective of Quality. For example, I don't want the blue shirt, instead I want the red one. Here, blue and red are adjective of quality, which is describing the noun shirt. Adjective of quality answers the question of what kind. For example, there is a large crowd outside the temple. Here, large is an adjective of quality describing what kind of crowd is outside the temple. They are driving a small car. Here, small is an adjective of quality describing what kind of car it is. There is an Indian temple in the city. Indian is an adjective of quality. Adjective of quantity. Words that describe the quantity or amount of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective of quantity. Remember that adjective of quantity is always used with uncountable nouns. For example, there is enough milk in the glass. Here, enough is an adjective of quantity describing the amount of milk that is in the glass. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Some more examples of adjective of quantity are I ate some rice today. All the students have passed the exam. There are many oranges in the basket. Some, all, many are adjective of quantity. Adjective of number. Words that describes number of a noun or a pronoun is called adjective of number. Always remember that adjective of number is used with countable nouns. For example, I met her several times. Here, several is an adjective of number describing the number of times that I met her. Adjective of number answers the question how many. Some more examples of adjective of number are the first teacher to arrive was Mr. Paul. There are 10 students in the classroom. I have learned 3 languages. Here, first, 10, 3 are adjective of number. Now, let us understand the difference between adjective of number and adjective of quantity. Adjective of number depicts the number of nouns, whereas adjective of quantity expresses an approximate amount rather than the exact number. Adjective of number is always used with countable nouns, whereas adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. Some adjectives may be both adjective of quantity and adjective of number depending upon their use. For example, many, some, few, little, all, enough, a little, a few, much, etc. Let us understand this with an example. Some people wanted to meet you. Here, some tells us how many people wanted to meet you. Mumpy wanted some money. Here, some tells us how much money Mumpy wanted. Demonstrative adjective. Words that points to a person, thing or animal is called demonstrative adjective. For example, give me that blue water bottle. Here, that is a demonstrative adjective describing the noun blue water bottle. This dress looks good on you. Here, this is a demonstrative adjective describing the noun dress. Always remember that there are 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, that, those, these. Now, this is used with singular noun which is near. That is used with singular noun which is far, whereas these is used with plural noun which is near. Those is used with plural noun which is far. Interrogative adjectives. This adjectives asks questions. Words like what, whose, which used with nouns to ask questions as they describe a person, thing or an animal. For example, which book do you like? Here, which is an interrogative adjective as it is describing the noun book. What kind of dog do you have? Here, what is an interrogative adjective describing the noun dog. Whose laptop is this? Here, whose is also an interrogative adjective describing the word laptop. Possessive adjective. Words that shows possession or ownership is called possessive adjective. Words like my, your, his, her, its, your, our, their are possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose. For example, she likes your hat. Here, the possessive adjective is your, which sits before the noun hat to tell us who owns the hat. Another examples of possessive adjectives are my computer is not working. Here, my is possessive adjective. Where is your car? His arm is broken. Here, your and his are possessive adjective. Now, let us quickly revise what we have learned. Adjectives are words which describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives can sit before or after a noun or a pronoun. There are 6 types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality describes kinds of nouns. Adjectives of quantity describes amount of nouns. Adjective of number tells us the number of nouns. Demonstrative adjectives points out nouns. Interrogative adjectives asks questions about nouns. Possessive adjectives shows ownership